Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. CloverSac was kind enough to send me one of their organizers, so I will be doing a first impressions of the organizer. Right away, here it is. Nothing else in the package. Comes in this plastic packaging. It's very small, which I like how it's very compact. And anyways, I'm just gonna open this up for you. There are no instructions so far. It has this piece here, which is detachable, that you can place in the middle. It has the grommets that you can attach here so it doesn't become loose. So inside, we're just gonna pop that flat. And it has this piece, I guess it's to keep it sturdy. It also has more of these. So it has two pockets on the side here, two big ones. And then we have another big side pocket here, a medium one, a small one, and another medium. So this has a mesh side and then this just has the regular side on it. In total, we have 7 pockets. If we were to put the middle piece in here, it does have the CloverSac logo there. So I'm gonna open this up. Obviously, you just have to match it up which side it should be in. So it should just snap in. Okay, so that was easy enough to do, and it obviously isn't collapsing with this in the middle because it's keeping it sturdy. And you get 2 extra compartments here. It's very lightweight. This is actually for the base to keep it more sturdy. So you insert it at the bottom here. And then these are for the sides. Stick this in here to keep the sides more sturdy. That makes sense, so that it doesn't keep collapsing on you. Definitely feeling more sturdy. It's still lightweight. You know, there's more pockets now. You got a medium here and a small one there. So you have 11 spaces where you can put your things inside. The dimensions are 9.6 inches in length, 5.9 inches in height, 4.7 inches in width. So I've just grabbed my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier 25 and we're gonna just place it inside here. This organizer, I don't think I mentioned that this is called the Emma 25. They don't make custom sizes, but this should fit a various amount of different purses, so I don't know how well this is gonna fit in here. With the things on the inside, you can't really squish it in. I mean, I feel like I'm gonna snap it, which I don't like, but anyways, we're just gonna try it, putting it in. Ooh. It's not very giving with the piece on the side, but I think we can get it in. So just, all right, so I got it in, and there is definitely a lot of extra space, you know, wasted space inside of the purse. It's sliding everywhere. I don't think it's good because I think I'd want my purse to be maximized. I want my bag to fit as much as possible, and when there's extra room on the inside, it means that this organizer is too small for it, which is unfortunate because I do like how many pockets that there are in it, and I do like the fact that it's lightweight. I'm not sure if I like the material though, because I don't think that it's gonna be as nice on the inside when it rubs against it. There's about that much more room to put things in, and if I put it on this side, I'm leaning it flat, there's that much room, which is a lot. So I wish that it was a little more snug on the sides. The material is harder. If you use it over time and you really jam pack this organizer, it will leave a dent on the side of your bag, which I don't want to happen. I'm going to test out how much you can fit inside here, or what I would typically have in my bag. The first item will be this pouch here that just holds my makeup and any other feminine products that I normally have, and I'm gonna put this in the big middle compartment of, you know, lotion along with the Vaseline. So I'm putting those 2 big items right in the middle so they're easy to access. Gum and Kleenex, I will try to put them in the mesh pockets here. I know it's hard to see in the dark. Zippy coin purse, put on the side along with my key clay in the pocket. My little sketchbook, which also fits in the side. My pencil case here, I'm gonna put on the other side. It's not extremely flat, but everything in here is organized so far. My agenda, I like to carry around, but I don't think this is gonna be fitting in here. It doesn't normally fit in this bag to begin with, so I normally leave it out. I usually carry it with other bags. Glasses, I think it's gonna fit very well, like it's not gonna lie flat, and I'm just ending up putting it right on top, so that kind of defeats the purpose of it being organized because it's just floating there. Here are the headphones, stuff it in like a bigger pocket. That's great. I mean, everything fits, which is nice, and it's light. I do really like that factor. The shape that it creates, it sags down and it becomes very long. Because it's not stuffed fully, it kind of looks a little wonky to me. I know some people like the slouchy look of the Speedy. I don't like this look. See how much it goes in. You can tell how much space is available to use, but you can't really use it because the organizer isn't as full. It's organized, so if you want something that's affordable side, it comes at $24, which is good. I think if you're just looking to try out a purse organizer, a beginner's one, I would recommend it. I do like how for storing purposes you can collapse it, which is great because the other organizers you can't. I do like that factor, so I'm just going to take everything out and then show you guys how I had organized it. So again, to take it out, you're just going to pinch it a little bit. Oh dear. Ooh, see, I don't like that. How this part is popping out. This could damage your bag as you're taking it out. Like, it could scratch it, which I almost did. Yeah, I don't like that factor. How I organized this, I just stuck my Speedy purse. I put the key clay in one of the pockets, my sketchbook on this side of the pocket, my pouch with all my feminine products and makeup. And then I have the compartment for gum. Here, Kleenex, Vaseline, cream, my headphones in the bigger side, my pencil case. And if I had to put my phone in, which I didn't show here, I would just kind of put it there. So everything that I needed really did fit. Minus this, it was just going to be placed on top, which is annoying because when you want to reach in your bag, you just want to be able to pull things out, and this would be in the way. So I would have to take this out and then go through everything, which isn't a huge inconvenience, but for the sake of things being organized and supposed to be easy to access, that's kind of annoying. You can tell that it's a lot smaller. I know it may be harder to see on the camera, but this would slide in between here. There's space here. There's extra space. I mean, if you fill it up, like, I guess it kind of pops out, but again, it's gonna leave a warping look. I do like the fact that it has a lot of pockets. I was able to fit a lot of my personal objects in there, which was great. Like I was saying earlier, it's good to be able to collapse this and store it away easily because I do not keep my organizer in my bag when it's being stored. I like to take them out and fill my bag with those airtight, or like those bags of air. So I like that it collapses like so, and you could just put these back in here. Easy to store, and I totally love that. Personally, I don't think I'm going to be using this with my Speedy because I think I am loving my other one. You guys can check out my other two videos, but I'm definitely thinking of using this for another bag, a smaller bag that it would be more compatible with. Even though it's saying that it's good for the Speedy 25, I just don't think it fits as nicely, and I'm not in love with the material to put into my Louis Vuitton just because I think it might damage it, because over time I think there would be some wear and tear, and I'm kind of afraid that it would scratch it up. Not that it's like super rough or anything. On the website it does say that CloverSac doesn't make any custom fitting organizers, so the recommendations made were solely based on the closest possible size that it may fit, so it's not going to be perfect. So it is disclosed that it's not going to be, and I knew that when they had asked me if I would like to try their organizer out. I hope this video has helped you in any way. It's a great organizer, I would say, you know, but maybe not necessarily for your Speedy. I wouldn't recommend that personally just because of the things that I had said, spacing issues, and definitely material. And this thing popping out at the bottom, I think maybe if they had the Velcro like they do on these sides, it might help. I just want to say thank you so much to CloverSac for sending me so kindly one of their organizers. It was a nice surprise in my email to be asked if I would like to be sent one to try. Even though I'm not going to be using it with my Speedy, I'm definitely going to be using this in another purse. So I am very appreciative and very grateful for it. I think I'm going to get great use out of it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I know that's been super sparse, but thank you for sticking around, and I'll talk to you soon.